Hey everyone, welcome to the Meta Business Suite tutorial, your free all-in-one control center for business growth on social media. Want to manage your Facebook and Instagram like a pro, all in one place. In this video, I will walk you through everything step by step. Meta Business Suite is a free tool from Meta that helps you manage your Facebook page, Instagram account, messages, posts, ads, and analytics all from one dashboard. Just type business.facebook.com in the search bar. Log in with your personal Facebook account. Don't worry, your personal information stays private. Here's the layout. Home. Quick overview of your latest activity. Then planner. Schedule and manage post. Then inbox. View and reply to messages from Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. Content. Manage all your posts, reels, and stories. Ads. Create and monitor paid campaigns. Insight. Get analytics about your content performance. Like that. Before diving in, make sure your Facebook page and Instagram account are connected. Go to settings. Then accounts. From accounts, select Instagram accounts. Click plus icon or add and log in to link your Insta. Click create post from home to publish content to both Facebook and Instagram at the same time. You can add photos, videos, hashtags in the text box and location tags in the location icon, from location icon, and enter a location name. Then click schedule from here. Then choose your uploading date, time, and lastly, privacy settings. Public or restricted. Public means anyone can on or off Facebook will be able to see your post. Restricted means choose certain people on Facebook who can see your post. The planner gives you a visual calendar of your content. You can drag and drop posts, adjust timings, and see gaps in your posting schedule. Under inbox, you will find Facebook comments, Instagram comments, or messages all in one place. You can replay, react, and even set automated replays for FAQs and greetings. To run ads, head to the Ads tab from left sidebar. Choose your goal like website visits or engagement. Or boost Facebook content. If you want more control, go to Ads Manager for advanced options. Click on Insights to see how your content is doing. Track things like reach, views, follows, net in, interactions, and whose posts are performing best. This helps you post more of what your audience actually likes. Working with a team, you can give access to other people without sharing your password. Go to settings, then people, then invite team members by email and assign roles like admin, editor, or advertiser. For that, click invite people, enter your email, then follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it. You are now ready to run your business like a pro with Meta Business Suite. Have questions or want a deeper look into ads or automation? Let me know in the comments. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe for more social media guides. Thanks for watching.